Now you can book appointments in Services Calendar directly through chat using Conversation AI across all supported channels: SMS, live chat, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Let's check the improvements. Your Conversation AI capabilities have been expanded, so it now remembers user inputs even if they deviate mid-conversation, asks clarifying questions when needed, and shows customers the booking details before confirmation. Let's learn how to get your agents to book appointments in the service calendars. To start, navigate to the Conversation AI tab in the AI Agents section. Within Conversation AI, you can edit an already existing bot or create a new bot. Head to the Bot Goals tab and enable Appointment Booking. Select Services as the calendar type, then choose the services to include from the drop-down menu. Enter your AI appointment booking instructions. Enable any advanced options you desire, then click Save. This introduces a conversational-first approach to service bookings, allowing customers to describe their needs and have the AI agent handle the booking, removing the need for forms and other robotic-feeling elements. We hope you enjoy it.